Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, choose a neutral, refined fish oil, and measure 1/2 to 1 cup for medium pan. Dry the fish thoroughly to prevent violent splatter and season simply so flavors concentrate. Preheat a heavy skillet over medium-high heat, add oil and bring it steadily to 175 degrees 185 degrees C. Use a thermometer. This temperature gives crisp crust without burning. Once the oil reaches range, reduce heat slightly to maintain it, and prepare to add fish in a single layer. Once the oil is steady, gently lower fish pieces away from you to avoid splatter, keeping pieces spaced for even cooking. Maintain a steady 170 degrees 180 degrees C. If the oil cools, the crust will be soggy, and if it's too hot, it burns. Flip each piece only once with tongs when edges turn golden. Thicker pieces need 3-5 minutes per side, thinner ones less. Transfer cooked fish to a wire rack over a tray to drain. This preserves crispness versus paper towel. Finish by resting fish 2-3 minutes to let juices settle, then brighten flavors with lemon and flaky salt. This cuts any heavy oil note. If the oil begins to smoke, remove the pan from heat immediately and let it cool. Burnt oil must be discarded and replaced. If the fried food tastes overly fishy, serve with acidic or herb-forward condiments to balance it. Practice one batch at consistent temp, and you'll learn exact timing and oil amount for your pan and cut of fish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.